Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madame. Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, madame.
Ma'am, which class is this?
Bonjour, madame. 4A.
Bonjour, madam.
4A. Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Yeah. So in the last class, what did we learn in the last class? We learned accent, les accents. How many accents are there in French? How many accents are there in French?
Five.
Five accents. Yes. How many accents we learned till now?
Five.
Three we learned. First one.
Laxo grave.
No. First one. Laxo Third one. Laxo circumflex. Trebia. I am muting everyone. Yes. So with 3 accents we learned till now. I have sent one audio clip and a list of words with laxo ague in your WhatsApp group. Did everyone listen to that and practice? Everyone? We d'accord. Those who haven't done yet, those who haven't practiced yet, please do practice with the audio. Très bien. See, so the first accent that we learned was laxo ague. First one, laxo ague, ACCENT, laxo ague. Okay, and the symbol is like this, one small line like this. This is laxo ague. You will be able to see laxo ague along with letter E, like this, and pronunciation will be A. Example, acre. Repeat everyone, acre. Répétez, s'il vous plaît. Acre. Everyone, please do repeat. Acre. L'autre exemple. Été. Please do repeat. Baby. Fei means fairy. Fairy. Zero is 0. Zero. Elephant. Yes, Shringa, tell me. Shringa?
Ma'am, we should try this.
No, you don't have to write. Okay, if something is there to write, to copy down, I will tell. Please do copy this down in your book. I will tell like that. Okay. So this is laxo ague. Now we are going to see second accent, laxo grave. I know everyone know that. This still I want to refresh. Okay. Second one is laxo grave. ACCENT, laxo grave, GRAVE. Accent, see the accent, opposite direction of laxo ague, laxo grave. You will be able to see laxo grave along with letters A, E, and U. A, E, and U, laxo grave. When laxo grave will come along with letter E, pronunciation of the word, that letter will be A, as in English alphabet letter A sound. English alphabet letter S sound. Shringa, if your doubt is clear, just remove that hand raise symbol from there. So, and see the example, example en français. Mère. Mère means mother. Mère. Repeat everyone. Mère. L'autre exemple. Père. You went, please do repeat. Père. L'autre exemple, frère. So this is the second one. Now moving to the third accent. We already seen that one also. Third one, troisième accent, c'est l'accent circonflexe. L'accent circonflexe, CIRCONFLEXE. Laxoflexe, laxocirconflex. This one also we learned, laxocirconflex. How's the symbol? Symbol is like this, one small cap-like symbol like this, laxocirconflex. And you will be able to see laxocirconflex with the vowel letters A, E, I, O, and U, with the vowel letters A, E, I, O, U. Okay, when laxocirconflex comes, only the pronunciation of letter E will change to A. Other than that, they will not make any change in the pronunciation. So that was laxocirconflex. Now we are moving to the fourth one, fourth accent. Fourth accent, that is Sedia. Sedia. Sedia is the name of that accent. Sedia. Repeat everyone. Repeat. Sedia. And see the symbol. Symbol is like this. Half of 5. Half of 5. How do we write 5? Like this, right? And just erase that. Just erase that upper part like this. Okay. This is the symbol. Half of 5. Erase this part like this. Okay, that is a symbol of laxosedia. On which letter you will be able to see sedia? Along with which letter? Only with letter C. You will be able to see sedia with only letter C. First you write C, and after that below C, just write this symbol like this. Okay, this is how we write sedia. There should not be any gap. There should not be gap like this. There should not be gap like this. Okay, attached one, attach and write sedia. Okay, and when sedia will come along with letter C, pronunciation of that letter will be sir. Pronunciation will be sir. Sir. Okay, when you see laxosedia with letter C, after that you will be able to see either these 3 letters, either O or A or U. O or A or U, you will be able to see after this particular sedia letter. Now see here, with O, how will it become? C, O. C, A. C, U. See the pronunciation? Song. Repeat everyone. Song. Sa. Su. Song. Sa. Su. Song. Sa. Su. Now listen to the, now I am going to give you an example. First one with C-O. Le garçon. Le garçon. G-A-R-C-O-N. Le garçon. What is garçon? Garçon means boy. Le garçon. Le garçon. Repeat everyone. Le garçon. L'autre example with C-A. You already know this. Ça va. Ça va. What is ça va? Ça va means fine. Yes, ça va means okay or fine. Ça va means okay or fine. Ça va means okay or fine. Ça va. L'autre exemple avec C-U. Le reçu. Le reçu. Repeat everyone. Le reçu. Meaning receipt. R-E-C-E-I-P-T. Receipt. Le reçu. Le reçu. Now here with garçon, with C-O, another word. La leçon. La leçon. What is leçon? Leçon means lesson. Lesson number 1, 2, 3, like that. La leçon. Leçon. N will be silent. Leçon. Leçon means lesson. Leçon. Here, another one, another example. Français. 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 What is français? What is Francais? French. Francais means French. Which subject you are learning now? Francais. Francais. Subject you are learning now. Francais. So once again, everyone, please do repeat after me. Le garçon. Repeat after me. Le garçon. Ça va. Le reçu. La leçon. Français. Français. D'accord? Yeah. So laxo circumflex is laxo sedie is clear. Now another thing I want to tell that in French, each alphabet is having its own separate pronunciation individually. Remember, we learned alphabets. Yeah, that sounds. When we spell these alphabets individually, we will use those pronunciation. But when we read, Hail, what are you doing, Hail? Okay, so but when we pronounce the letters along, when it comes in a word, the pronunciation will be different. So when we spell the alphabets individually, it will be the pronunciation that we learned at the first. And when we pronounce these letters in a word, that will be different pronunciation. Example, I will show you. Everyone look at the board. Arjun, where are you looking? Yeah. Half an hour you are in the class. So that time you just listen, attend properly. See, what is the pronunciation of letter C when we learned earlier? When we practiced the alphabets, pronunciation of letter C was say. Say. This is what we learned. Say. C pronunciation is say. Okay, d'accord. Ensuite, now I told that when laxo sedie will be there, pronunciation of letter C will be S. Example also I gave you, le garçon. Le garçon. Example also I gave. Now, with other words, when we pronounce letter C in a word without sedie, pronunciation will be K. Pronunciation will be K. Remember the word como ça va? Como, C-O-M-M-E-N-T, como, como. See, without this sedie, pronunciation of letter C is K. Como, como. Okay, but when I spell one's name, let it be Chris. Chris, okay, Chris name. I am telling Chris to spell the name, to spell his name. How will he spell? How will he spell it? C-H-R-I-S. Okay, C-H-R-I-S. Now in French, how will he pronounce? Say, H, R, E, S. Say, H, R, E, S. See, here the pronunciation is say. The pronunciation we learned earlier when we learned the alphabets. Now Janvi, if Janvi is pronouncing her, spelling her name. If Janvi is spelling her name, how will she do? Wait. Yeah, Janvi, how she? J-A-N-V-I in English. Now in French, when we spell it, how will we do? G-A-N-V-E. G-A-N-V-E. See, but when we are reading just saying the word Janvi, we are not saying G there. We are not saying Ve there. See, so when we spell that letter individually, the pronunciation will be different. When we make it in a word, that will be different. Now the word UN, the name UN, Y-U-E-N, Y-E, okay, V is also there, okay. Y-U-V-E-N. How will we spell this? Y-U-V-U-N. Y-U-V-U-N. But when we are saying UN, is there any Y sound coming there? Y sound? No. It is not coming there. Okay. So like that, when we spell these letter alphabet individually, it is having a separate pronunciation. When it comes in a word, as a word, when you say, there is having separate pronunciation. Okay, I hope this much is clear for you. If you have any doubt regarding the pronunciation of these accents, please click on the hand raise button. If you have any doubt, click on the hand raise button. Okay, no doubts. Okay, so first let me take the attendance, and after that we'll again continue the practicing of this pronunciation. Please do respond in French itself when I'll call your name. This is class.
Ma'am, you didn't stop recording.
Yeah, thank you so much.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, madam.
No, madam.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
madam.
So once again, let's see the words that we got today. So first one, le garçon. Le garçon. Repeat everyone. Le garçon. Le garçon. Ça va. Ça va. Ça va. Le reçu. Le reçu. La leçon. La leçon. Français. Français. Repeat once again, everyone. Le garçon. Le garçon. Ça va. Le reçu. La leçon. Français. Le garçon. Ça va. Le reçu. La leçon. Français. Now, yeah, I'm going to unmute everyone. Okay. And I will tell you, I will call your name. That time you have to unmute and read. Okay. So first going to read is, yeah, UN, you can read, UN.
Okay, ma'am.
D'accord, madame. Okay, madame, how will you say?
D'accord, madame.
Oui,
D'accord, madame.
read.
Le
Others, please mute. UN, read.
garçon.
Le garçon.
Le garçon.
Not les, le garçon.
Le garçon.
Oui, ensuite.
Ça va.
Oui.
Le garçon.
Pardon?
Le garçon.
Le reçu.
Le reçu.
Oui, ensuite.
La leçon.
Très bien, très bien. Ensuite.
Français.
Très bien, UN. Ensuite, c'est Maësa.
Oui, madame.
D'accord, read.
Les garçons.
Oui. Not les, le garçon.
Le garçon.
Oui.
Ça va.
Hmm.
Le reçu.
Oui.
La leçon. Français.
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 Hmm. Ensuite, Joanne.
Le garçon.
Hmm.
Ça va.
Oui.
Le reçu.
Oui.
La leçon.
Oui.
Français.
Très bien. C'est Aditri. Ensuite, c'est Aditri.
Moi aussi, madame.
Oui, bienvenue.
Oui, madame.
Oui, read.
Le garçon.
Le garçon.
Le garçon.
Oui.
Ça va.
Oui.
Le reçu.
Reçu. Oui. Ensuite.
Le camp.
La leçon.
La leçon.
Oui.
Français.
Français. When A and N come together, when A and N come together, the pronunciation will be on. Français. Français. Radhika?
No, ma'am. My name is Adira.
Adira. That's your sister's name?
No, ma'am.
D'accord, read.
Le garçon.
Oui.
Ça va.
Oui.
Le reçu.
Oui.
La leçon.
Oui. It is not lesson. N will be silent. Lesson. Nasal sound.
Lesson.
Lesson.
Leçon.
Très bien. Ensuite.
Français.
No, no, it's not français. Français. O sound.
Français.
Français. Très bien. Ensuite, c'est
Français.
adulte. Très bien. Ensuite, c'est adulte.
Ma'am, me?
Oui.
Ma'am, my name is Achyut.
Achyut.
Yes, ma'am.
Très bien, très bien. D'accord. Read.
Les,
No, it is not les. Le.
le garçon,
Oui.
ça va.
Oui.
La, le,
No. Le reçu.
le réseau,
Le reçu.
le, l'école, la
leçon.
la leçon, français,
No. Français.
français,
Français. Please do practice
français.
more. Catherine. Catherine.
Oui, madame.
D'accord. Read.
Les garçons.
No, it is not le. Le.
Le garçon,
Oui.
ça va.
Oui.
Le reçu,
Oui.
la leçon,
Hmm.
français.
Très bien, très bien. Ensuite, c'est Arush. Arush.
Le garçon,
Oui.
ça va.
Oui.
Le reçu,
Oui.
la leçon,
Oui.
français.
Très bien, très bien. Ensuite, c'est Hazel.
Le garçon,
Oui.
ça va.
Hmm.
Le reçu,
Oui.
la leçon,
Hmm.
français.
Très bien, très bien. Ensuite, c'est Pranav. Pranav.
Le garçon,
Oui.
ça va.
Hmm.
Le reçu,
Oui.
la leçon,
Oui.
français.
Très bien, très bien. Ensuite, c'est Sweden. Sweden, unmute dear. Sweden, not responding. Ensuite, c'est Adidev MJ.
Madame, can I?
Le garçon. Garçon.
Le gars,
Oui.
ça va.
Hmm.
Le reçu,
Oui.
la leçon,
Oui.
français.
Français. Français.
Français.
Très bien. Ensuite, c'est Adidev MB. Adidev, unmute dear.
Madame, can I?
D'accord, read.
Le garçon,
Oui.
ça va.
Oui.
Le reçu,
Oui.
la
La
leçon,
leçon, oui. Ensuite,
français.
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 Très bien. Ensuite, c'est Joeric.
Les garçons,
Le garçon.
le garçon,
Oui.
ça,
Hmm.
le rescue,
Reçu. Oui.
la leçon,
Oui. Ensuite,
France,
come on. Right. Come on. Français.
français.
Français. Très bien. Ensuite, c'est Sringa.
Le garçon,
Le
Ça va.
garçon.
le garçon,
Oui.
ça va.
Oui.
Le reçu,
Oui.
la leçon,
Hmm.
français.
Très bien, très bien. Ensuite, c'est Aditya Krishna.
Le garçon.
Le garçon.
Ça va.
Oui.
Le reçu.
Oui.
La leçon.
Hmm.
Français.
Très bien, très bien. Maisa,
Ma'am, I got a chance.
you got a chance. Okay. Arjun,
Ma'am, I did not get a chance.
you also got chance. So now here no one is there to read. Janvi, yes, Janvi.
Ma'am, I did not get.
Yeah, wait. I will call. Those who didn't get chance, you can click on the hand raise button. Those who didn't get chance till now, you can click on the hand raise button. I will call. Janvi, yes, read.
Le garçon.
Oui.
Ça va.
Hmm.
Le reçu.
Oui.
La leçon.
Oui.
Français.
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 Très bien. Prarthana,
Merci, madame.
bienvenue.
Le garçon.
Oui.
Ça va.
Hmm.
Le reçu.
Hmm.
La leçon.
Oui.
Français.
Très bien. Aditri, those who got chance, then you can remove that hand raise symbol from there. Aditri,
Ma'am, I got a chance.
you got chance, then remove that hand raise symbol from there. Those who got chance, just remove that hand symbol from there. Niharika,
Oui, madame.
D'accord, read.
Le garçon.
No, dear, it is not le. D'accord.
Le garçon.
Oui.
Ça va.
Hmm.
Le reçu.
Oui.
La leçon.
Très bien.
Français.
Très bien, Niharika. Ensuite, say Vaishnav.
Le garçon.
Oui.
Ça va.
Hmm.
Le reçu.
Oui.
La leçon.
Oui.
Français.
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 Très bien. Ensuite, c'est Sri Rugda.
Oui, madame.
D'accord.
Le garçon.
Oui.
Ça va.
Hmm.
Le reçu.
Oui.
Leçon.
Oui.
Français.
Très bien. Amaya.
Merci, madame.
D'accord.
Le
Bienvenue.
garçon.
Oui.
Ça va.
Hmm.
Le reçu.
Hmm.
Le leçon.
Hmm.
Français.
Français. Très bien. Amaya. Last minute. Amaya, read.
Ma'am, I itself now read.
Oh, you read. Okay. Ensuite, Adhar.
Le garçon.
Oui. This is not garçon. Garçon. Nasal sound.
Garçon.
Très bien.
Ça va.
Oui.
Le reçu.
Oui.
La
Leçon.
leçon.
Oui.
Français.
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 Très bien. Anna Maria.
Oui, madame.
D'accord.
Le.
No, not le. What is the pronunciation?
La.
Le.
Le
Oui.
garçon.
Oui.
Ça va.
Hmm.
Le reçu.
Le reçu. Dear, it is not le. Le.
Le reçu.
Oui.
La leçon.
Très bien.
Français.
Très bien. So now it's already time. So
Merci,
I am going to
madame.
end the session. Bienvenue. Though I know few are there still to read because of the shortage of time. I am going to end the session. We have one more accent to learn. We are going to see that in the next week. Okay, everyone. We'll see you in the next class. Please do
Thank you,
practice these
madam.
accents
Thank you,
properly.
madam.
Bye.
Au revoir.